Hey guys, welcome back.
Hey guys.
I'm Chelsea, this is Taylor, and we're going to be doing a holiday DIY with you guys today. I know the last few we've been doing a few DIYs, but it's just because it's the season, it's fun, and it works for our products.
Easy to do if you're bored,
Yeah.
so why not?
It's a fun craft. There's a lot of family get-togethers this time of year, so it could be something to do with your family, with your kids, keep them occupied. You just put up new shades to show off everybody, be like, well, I have these scraps. Here you go, and like make cute little things like we have been doing with it. It's a lot of fun. I don't know. I have a busy holiday season and I'm usually at family members' house, and like my younger cousins and I always try to do something kind of crafty.
Yeah.
So it's just natural for me. The holidays, I'm like, crafts, let's go.
Yeah.
Like, what are you doing for the holidays?
I'm going back home. Just gonna hang out with my family. My family's coming for Christmas. Do nothing because I'm always so busy here at school, so it's nice to just chill.
Oh yeah, no, I used to love going home for Christmas break. It was the best thing.
It is the best.
All right, like let's get this out of the way. Like let's go ahead and do that.
Yeah.
But we'll go ahead and we'll show you kind of what you need, and we'll just talk about the holidays and stuff as we're doing things. So what we have behind us is we've made these all today. So they don't take very long, so you can definitely do them.
Yeah.
But we made some snowflakes. We tried to even make some, like a little snowman over there and a little penguin over here. Just to kind of show the variety of things that you can make. You can make ornaments, just leave them as a circle and decorate them however you want. And then hang them. You can hang them on your window, hang them on the wall, the house, like literally anywhere you want to stick anything. Go ahead. I mean, I think it would be really cool to like put things on like the window.
Yeah.
Like on the shade or something. It'd be really cool.
Cute.
You could even hang a shade and then like have like a hand-drawn or painted Christmas tree on it or something like that. That would be another really cool thing to do. I don't know why I didn't think of that until just right now, because we could have done that. Not with this shade. This is one of our easy live shades, but with an original paper shade or fabric. It's just because it's easier to work with. I guess we could try it with this one, but it'd be kind of hard just because you can't flatten it as much. But, so we did this, and we'll show you how to make these today. Basically, the most important thing you need is going to be an original shade, fabric or paper. We used a lot of our fabric just because we had a bunch of fabric scraps left, but we cut them into different sizes depending on what we wanted. So we made some smaller ones for the snowflakes that you see on the wall, and then we cut different ones for the penguin and for the snowman, just kind of based it on whatever size we wanted. You can always make things smaller. So I like to cut a little bigger than most, so I can just cut it to make it smaller, because I have a problem with either cutting it too big or too small.
I do too.
Yeah, so we just decided to do that, and it made it a lot easier.
Yeah.
So you will either need a sharp kitchen knife to cut through it or some scissors. However you want to cut through your shades, cut your shades. If you've already installed shades and you're using just scraps, scissors will be just fine. If you have like an extra shade, you can use scissors or a knife to cut through it. And then we have tape is what we use a lot of. Glue sticks, hot glue, craft glue, all of these things you can get on Amazon, or you might have. You can use spray paint. We talked about spray painting.
Yeah, like blue or
like silver.
That'd be cute. Also glitter.
Yes, and we were going to put glitter on it, but glitter is a mess, so we'll leave that to you guys. But these are some of the colors, and we've done it in years past too, where we've decorated with snowflakes and had them colored and glitterified. Sorry, I can't speak, as always. So that would be a really cool aspect, and your kids could have a lot of fun with that. Especially if you do use spray paint, you don't have to like put extra glue on it. If you sprinkle the glitter on it while the spray paint's still wet, it would stick, and I think that'd be really cool to have like a blue and white snowflake, just to kind of give it that like shimmery effect. That would be a lot of fun. We also have markers if we need them, and craft felt or foam. Is that foam? I guess. Craft foam, whatever that is. We got everything from Amazon, so it is what it is. And that's what we use to make like the beak and the eyes for the penguin and the nose and eyes and stuff for the snowman. I don't know why I'm blanking on everything. Sorry, guys. But yeah, so that was kind of just the materials that you'll need. Is at least what we used, and it made it really easy. And if you have leftover clips from your shades that you don't use, we use these and use them to hang everything that's on.
Yeah, we kind of just put it like through the slit in one of the slits to make it stay.
And you can like clip the shade and then stick this to the wall, and it holds it because it's paper and it's light. So these also will double as hanging things, and it doesn't destroy the wall. So if you have any of these left over, that's another use you can use for them. But we'll go ahead and kind of show you how we make these. I think, does yours already have the adhesive on it?
Yeah,
okay.
Mine has this little...
So the adhesive hasn't been taken off of these yet. So we still have that, and we're going to use that as the glue. But if you are using a scrap or you don't have the adhesive tape on it anymore, you can use glue or tape to get it to stick together, however you want. Just we're going to do it this way because we don't have to use anything else.
Yeah. And I separated it into two, so that's a little bit easier to cut through the fabric.
I don't know why I took this off already.
And what I did is I just kind of cut any type of shape that I wanted, whatever I thought would look good.
It's kind of difficult to cut through.
It's a little bit difficult.
Just a heads up. And you can make these as detailed or as simple as you want. We just recommend at least cutting like the top into something that's not just a circle, just so it does look more like a snowflake. And the good thing about snowflakes is each one looks different. They're all individual, so it doesn't matter what your
however
snowflakes.
you want to do it.
Yeah, it does not matter. I'm just kind of
cutting slits to it.
I don't know why I didn't do this the first time. This makes it so much easier.
Cutting off the corners.
Yeah, like just know like how you had yours separated into two, just like taking sections.
Yeah.
That makes it so much easier, and like it's just
it's
kind of cool because it's a different like. So this is what it looks like when you cut the corners like that, and if you start to like make it in. So you could leave it like this if you really wanted to, and it would still give you that snowflake. Like it would still mimic a snowflake. But I'm extra and I want to add some extra things to it just to make my life a little bit more difficult. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I don't know what this will come out as, so just bear with me, please.
It's always a surprise. I'm just cutting like these slits on this side, and then they kind of turn into little arrows. That. Do the other side.
I like it because it's like it's different and unique, and like everything looks different. And if you do put glitter on it, you can still like you'll be able to see like the glitter really well. There won't be like too much wall in it, so like definitely helpful. Are you done holiday shopping?
I'm not done yet. I still have some more to do, but I'm almost done. I started around Thanksgiving because of all the Black Friday deals.
Hopefully y'all took advantage of some of our Black Friday deals we had. These are some good ones.
How about you? How's your shopping?
So I like bought things that I personally needed, not like anything like super great. Like the big thing I got was a TV, just because I needed a new one and I found a really good deal. I couldn't pass it up, so that's what I got. But I added everything that I'm doing for Christmas, like getting for Christmas, to my Amazon cart. So I really just need to like buy it and then get that all situated. But I did pretty much pick everything out already. So kind of, I think that's a good.
Yeah, I think I have like an idea of what I want to get already. I just think I need to actually purchase it.
Yeah, and I'm doing a lot of like homemade stuff this year. So. I don't know. I'm like trying to decide like what's worth making or what's worth buying, and just basing it off like people. I have a really big family, So even though they tell me not to gift them, I'm going to gift them
Yeah.
stuff. So that's
Yeah.
where I'm at with it.
I have a smaller family, so it's really a little bit easier for me to get them like a lot of stuff.
Yeah. I also have my dogs and my
Oh my
cats.
gosh,
And I
yes.
can't not get them
You have
anything.
to get your pets presents.
Yeah,
They
I mean,
deserve it,
they're my
too.
children right now because I don't have children yet. So, you know, it is what it is. I've finished shopping for them, for my dogs, because they get Bark Box every month. And because they chew up every single toy that I buy them. And they're both
yes.
allergic to chicken. So I just get like their treats and like super tough toys from Bark Box, and it ends up actually just saving me a lot of money. So it's like, it's nice. So that's where they get all their things from. But I don't know. My cats, I have no idea what to get them. I think I got them a laser pointer from Amazon, like a self-animated one. But
Yeah, my dogs just get basically treats.
yep.
That's all they really care about is food.
Yep.
So
Yeah, I definitely. I have a whole Amazon list for my pets that I'm just like, here you go. I really want one of those Furbo cameras, and I was waiting for it to like
I've heard of those.
go on sale on Amazon, and I just can't make myself get it. So you know. All right. So I am only doing the 2 cuts in mine, and now I stuck it together, and this is what it looks like. Oh boy, it's not perfect. But it kind of resembles a snowflake if I could show y'all without it folding up on each other. Kind of like this. I don't know. I made like a heart in the centers of the snowflake. And I guess that's kind of what I did over there too. I just made more. But that's what it looks like. And you can paint it, put glitter on it, hang it up however you want. It's just something simple and really fun to do. Taylor,
Gosh,
show me.
I'm really struggling over here cutting through the fabric. I'm almost done.
It's a lot harder than it looks.
It is.
It shouldn't be. I think
It shouldn't be this hard, but
it's just we're perfectionists. We want everything to look really good, and
Yeah.
it's just not. It
You know
takes
what?
time,
it does.
but it's worth it because we really like how they came out so far.
yeah.
We'll just keep doing it. Also, I feel like we probably could sharpen our scissors. That might
Probably.
help too.
Probably that. Just some little arrows.
And you
Yeah,
could
you
put
took
lights,
circle.
like fairy lights behind these too, and that would like show up a little bit on the wall or wherever
that'd
you
be
have
cute.
them. And like even with the little arrows, just like the little slits of light coming through would be really awesome.
Yeah.
This is the hardest part,
This is
but it's
so-
also really fun. So with it, as you can tell, you want to lay it down on a flat surface to close it to make it a circle. Otherwise, it'll just want to like fold back up, as you saw mine did when I was trying to show you. So if you lay it down like this and then you clasp it together to make it into a circle, it's a lot easier. Don't try doing it in the air.
Okay, there we go.
So now it's together, and ta-da!
Oh
See,
my gosh.
it's a little hard to show you.
It's hard to hold up,
Here,
but
I'll hold the bottom, or yeah, there we go. See, it works.
Yeah.
And then you can put it wherever you want, and you can still decorate it at this point too if you would rather. We would typically recommend doing it before you cut it, but either way is fine. So now if you want to, just make sure when you hang it up, because if you do hang it, it will pull down just because of gravity. So you'll want to secure the back somehow. You can do that with hot glue, another piece of craft foam to like just make like a square and stick it so all the pleats are stuck together. Basically, you just want to secure the like where they all meet in the center just to keep it as a circle. We did that by taping it earlier.
Yeah.
So just making like taping, like basically making a snowflake out of tape on the back.
Crisscrossing it.
Yeah, and that worked. It helped, and it stayed. Everything stayed.
Yeah.
Somehow our snowflakes actually we didn't really have to tape them. They just kind of stayed how we have them hung.
Yeah.
But the penguin, as you can tell, he's got like I made him a little, like, I tried to play with the shape. So you can, like, gather some pleats together if you want in different areas to make it, like, look a little bit different. However you want. I mean, it's paper. You can make it look like anything, honestly. That's really it for this DIY. Super easy, super quick.
Yeah.
It's like we said earlier, it's a really good one to do with like your family or friends, even, or like a girls' night or something. Just really easy.
And if you're bored by yourself, you can just get these materials and just have a little peaceful night. And
and we're all about, like, you know, recycling and reusing. So we just always like to share different ways to use our products. If you buy, you know, more than one shade and you only need one, then you have, like, you don't want to just throw it out. So you can make something with it, whether you paint the shade and you eventually hang it up, or you use the scraps and make things to put around your house. Either way, it's all really good. But we will see you guys next time. We hope you have a great holiday season, and we'll be back next month probably. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, and we'll see you guys again soon.
Bye, guys.